Okay. Today we will discuss about model in place. Okay. Why we are using a model in place means nothing but a design. You will create any type of design from the project to family. You will take model and you can create. Okay, that is applicable here. How means, for example, you will take one wall, simple wall. I will show one small design to you. Simple. Okay, like this you will take. For example, this is our building. Okay, here already I placed a door. Okay, but this door is not displayed now. That condition you can go here, edit, you can apply your cut plane at 2000, automatically displayed your door. Just you can see. Okay, if you need to edit this one, you can edit, that's not a problem. Okay, this is over. Next you can apply like this. Okay, here I need to do some design. How can we do our design? Means just go to see, just this is our design, this is our building front view. Okay, this condition we need to do design, any type of design applicable. Okay, for example, first of all go to level 1. Okay, and you can draw, go and click on model in place, select a wall design. This is we can say as a wall design now. That's why you can select wall design. Okay. Okay. Next you can see this one. Here we have set plane. Set plane means we need to select our plane. Okay, you need to draw at front, you need to draw at top, you need to draw at right or left. We need to select our plane. Okay, that purpose here we have set plane. Okay, work plane we need to create or we need to select. Just you can select pick plane here and okay, this is my plane. Just click on show, go to the front. Okay, which type of design here you need? Okay, that type of design you can apply. For example, here I am creating one small design. First of all, here to here, and just you can apply 200. Okay, or otherwise you can apply some more, minus 400. Okay. Next you can mention your thickness just 50. Then you can see 3D. Okay, here I need to apply some more designs. Go to front. Okay, now you can apply here extrusion, exactly here to here. And you can select this one, you can do copy, multiple, sorry, come back, select this all, do copy, then you can select this one, how many you need, that much. Sorry, overlapping here. Copy, you can place at some distance your first point, and multiple you can apply like this. Okay, and this is one of the design. For example, this design you need this side also, you can select and you can place. Okay, here I am adding one more, like elliptical. Okay. Then you can extend this one. Okay, now I need to remove, that purpose you can take split, here you can apply, then again you can apply here also, and this one, this one, this one, apply like Next, last one. Next, go trim and select these options. Okay, you can apply like this, but we need to split these areas also. Now you can see. Okay, here we need two more lines like this. Again, you can mention here also. Now you can apply trim. Okay, this is our model now. Okay, is it okay? Directly you can mention same. Okay, if you need any other designs, you can apply same as well as this side. Okay, next go here. For example, here I need removing this side. You can apply removing designs. Okay, next we can apply here removing. That condition, go here, select this set plane, pick plane here. Okay, and you can select this area. If you need, go to left. Okay, now you can apply in wireframe. Okay, this is our area. Now you can here which type of design you need. For example, I am taking extrusion, and you can apply same thing like that. And you will take offset here also, same 400. Okay, here I am applying simple design. Just select rectangle, 0, see now. Okay, now you will take offset here. For example, I am applying 30. You will take 50 or 100. Okay, now you will take split again. You can remove. Okay, delete. Next you will take this one and you can apply like this. Okay, again I am designing here one more. Now you can apply like this. Okay, just go offset and you can mention same. Now you can apply split. Here one, here one, here one, here one. At the same time, if you need here, you can apply, or otherwise you can divide this one. Just delete these 4 lines. Okay, now you can apply this one. Same. Okay. Next, if you need any extra design, you can apply a circular type also. Okay, this design means direct convention, but here we have one more opening line. Just you can see lines cannot intersect each other. The highlighted lines are currently intersect. Just you can select this one. Here you can apply. Okay, this type of design condition automatically taking very high time. Here also we need to divide. This side. Okay, na? Finish. Then you can see view, 3D view. See, we have like this. Okay, for example, this side you need same. Just go to front. You can select this one, and you can apply mirror here. Cancel. Select this one and do mirror. Draw axis. We need to change our work plane also here. Yes. Sorry. Wait. What happened? I think it deleted. లేదు, కొన్ని కండిషన్స్లో వస్తుంది, కొన్ని కండిషన్స్లో రాదు. చెప్పండి. కొన్ని కండిషన్స్లో వస్తుంది కంట్రోల్ జెడ్, కొన్ని కండిషన్స్లో రాదు. ఎడిట్ బౌండరీ. I will show one more. Pick line. Okay, now you can apply split. Then you can apply this side and this side. Just now you can do finish. Go to 3D. Okay, here if you need floor, here you can apply, or otherwise you can leave. For example, I need up to here. Okay, after I need steps. Okay, then see, first of all, here you can apply your step. How can we apply our steps? Just go to view, 3D. Here we don't have steps now. Go to architectural, same model in place, same design you will take. Okay, then okay, here you can apply set plane, pick plane. Okay, then you can apply this plane. Show now. Okay, now select right. based on your height, your building height, you need to mention this one. Okay, for example, I am taking here. Okay, this is our building height now. Here, for example, 1 feet, you can mention 300. You need straight this mouse. Okay, and 150, again 300, 150, 150, 300, 150, 300, 150. Then you can apply like this. Okay, now just you can do finish once. Go here. Here we need to adjust. Okay, here to here we have our dimension. Just you can see. You can apply like this. Then you can do finish. Okay, based on your building height, number of steps you can mention like this. Okay, at the same time, if you need design, you can apply that designs also. I will show simple design. Again you will take okay, go to the level 1. Okay, now click on extrusion, select pick line. For example, I need this lines. Okay, up to here, but I now need this one, or otherwise you can delete this one and this line. I need up to here only. Just you can do okay. Sorry, I need sweep command here. Create sweep, sketch path. Now you can mention here one, at the same time here one. Okay, then now select profile, edit profile, east condition. See, here I am applying one design for border purpose. Okay, this is our design. Now you can close this one, here to here, then finish. Once you can apply 3D here like this type of borders you will get. Okay. If you need top side, you can mention top side. If you need ground side, you can mention ground side by using sweep. Okay, next, finish. Now go to level 1. Here you can apply your window. For example, window size this one, you can apply it here. Then I need to create window design. Just go here, model in place, walls. Okay, then view, I need to create here design. Just go here, set plane, pick plane. Okay, then you can mention here. Go to front now, create. Just I need to apply, close this one, here to here. At the same time you can apply 75 extra. Okay, and you will take 1 feet if you need. Okay, this is next, finish. Then here if you need design, already we have wall sweep. Now by using that also you can create. Okay, just you can apply here one, finish, here one, finish, you can apply like this, like this. So easy design. Next, go to the level 2. Here you can apply your floor or slab. Then you can apply 150, finish. Go here, 3D. Okay, here I need to apply parapet wall. Just go to level 2, take architecture, wall. Just you can apply your wall. For example, unconnected is there now. Just I am applying 2 feet or 3 feet, 900 mm. 900 is very heavy. You can apply 750 or 600. You can apply exterior. You can draw like this, coming out on. Now you can take interior. You can apply this side and this side. Okay, next view, 3D. Okay, if you need to create any design, present, you can select this 3 and you can apply some more height. This is approximate design. You can apply for example 1500. Okay, this one now. Okay, here I need to create some designs. How can we create our design? Just you can select this one first. If you need halos, you can create directly. Just you can select this one, edit profile, go to front. Okay, here I need to apply like iron rods. That condition you can apply directly like this up to here. Okay, at the same time, after here, these two portions I need to apply rods. See now. Okay, how can we apply these rods? Means just go to architecture, model in place, and walls. Okay, extrusion. If you need circular or rectangular, present I need rectangular. First of all you need to select your plane, pick plane. Okay, then you can select (3D). Okay, front. Now you can select rectangle. Now you can select this, you can do copy. You can select this one also. Okay, now you can apply your thickness only 25. Just finish. Just you can see. Okay, this one. Same as well as if you need vertical here, you can apply vertical. Same you will take front again. Here I need to apply. For example, I need to take vertical here. Just select extrusion and you can apply like this. Select this one, copy. Okay, same. finish. Like this you can create. Okay, if you need any extra you can create that one also. For this I need to apply material. Just select this two and go here. For example, I need to apply black color like a rods type na, or you can apply any color. Okay, family created materials directly you can apply in families. Color use render appearance. For example, you can apply as a black, this one. Okay, next this side, just finish them. In here I need to apply, just go to paint, you can apply your white. Where is white? For example, finish white is there na? You can select this one and you can apply here. It is okay or not okay, just you can select, or otherwise you can apply this one. Next I need this color, you can apply for this here also. Next two sides I need white color. Okay, white color Baba, just close this one, create one new material, go to manage materials, go here, create new material, rename, you can mention white. Okay, then go to modify again, paint, we have white color now, go to last W. Okay, next here also you can apply. Next this side. Okay, this is family created now, we need to apply in family, not a project. See now. Okay, these two we created in families. If you need color for this, edit in family, you can apply your color for this. Just you can select, go here, for example, create new material, you can apply any color for this. I need not yellow, red, you can apply our same color, select white or others. Okay, next you can apply for this one also, just finish model, edit in place, go here, for example I need to apply this one, just you can do okay. Okay, now this is our building, finish them like this. Now if you need to see exact, here we have ray trace, just you can select this ray trace. Okay, real time condition we can see our build like this. Okay, actual condition. Okay, here we need to change color of these steps. Okay, when you will do your painting for your building, then we can see like this. Okay, this is for only small design. If you need big designs or big project, the condition, first of all we need to plan for that, which elevation we need. Okay, after we need to design, it will take some time, like 2 hours 3 hours also it will take. Okay, depends upon the design. Okay, if you need easy design, that is very better to you. If you have some good designs like interior or exterior, we need some time for that. Okay, you will just we need to go modify and you need to create anything. For example, here I am applying 2 more, like go to level 1, here we have this, just go to architecture, here structural sorry, window you can select and go here. Okay, I'm selecting these windows. Here you can apply one, here you can apply one if you need. Okay, this side I need some another window. Just go here, metric, and where is our window? Here we have windows. Just you can apply thumbnails, easily identify. Okay, you can select this one, open. Then you can mention it here, modify, just view, 3D view. Now you can see here some looking different. Now you can select here, you can change your color. For example, just select this one, go to material, for example I need this one, not this type you need, you can apply. Okay, and here also we have one more. You can select this one, edit, and you can apply here also. This one, finish. Now you can see like this. Based on our requirement we can create this one. Now you can mention and you can do render. If you need render, you can do render, or otherwise you can apply in ray trace. This is just one. Okay, for example, if you do good designs, that condition you will get. I will show elevation to you. Depends upon the requirement, we need to design that one, and our site also. You can press JD. Where is that model? Sorry, we need to open this one, not this one. Not this one.